What's up, y'all? Here, Start Trial. Sorry, my bad. Sorry about that. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm probably in a severe thunderstorm watch today. That will be horrible to do that for the property. Yo! Silent TV. Yo.
And coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the
development of severe weather, bro.
And listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Yo! That is crazy, bro! That was crazy. There are gonna be severe possible warnings today. Yo, this is gonna be crazy. Hope there's no tornado coming. I saw a funnel cloud. I got a picture of it.